viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Piyush Chandak with us from Solex Energy. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you, Isha ji.
So can you just let us know about Solex Energy, like when it came to the solar industry, and what are your product offerings this year?
So, when we talk about renewable energy or module manufacturing or solar energy, Solex is one of the oldest brand. I think 29 years of legacy brand it is, and from the team of 20 to 25 people to the team of 600 plus. So this journey has been very amazing. Lot of talent came in picture, and then the brand was building day by day. So today Solex is what you have seen across the table length as.
So if we talk about 2024-2025, so how Solex Energy is planning for the approaching the market for 2025 as?
So when we talk about 24-25, few days back we already had our press media. As being a listed company, we have already floated our mission till 2030, and we are very much on it, and all the availability of data is on the forum. So when we talk about our capacity for the module, so next year we are targeting to hit 4 gigawatt of module line, and we are very much the forum is all set, so the structure is building up, so more data that will be as and when we approach to the further workings.
Can you just enlighten about the product launch that has been done in this REI 2024?
So this REI, as I was about to say, the vibration of this REI is very good this time. When you look around the aura, when you look around the hall, the existing stage of every booth, the aura is very different. So we have launched a very precious product which is very close to us, that is TAPI R. Why it is TAPI R? TAPI is, as we are from Surat, we are based out of Surat. TAPI river is our ancient river, and Surat is blessed to have TAPI river, and TAPI river is a Surya Putri. When you say a river of TAPI is daughter of sun, so when you relate sun, TAPI and solar, it gives you one vibration out of it. So the module making our Make in India project famous. Our PM has always quoted and always voted for you have to be stick to Indian community. So we making the mythological touch, we named as TAPI, and R because the technology that we use is the rectangular cell, so that why it is TAPI R, which is 625 watt pack, and lot of benefits are there, and we have already disclosed a lot of thing about TAPI R, so you can find in market as well.
Okay, that's great, sir. A nice concept that every year you come up with. And if we talk about the distribution of it, so how you're planning and what are the strategies?
So as of now, for this particular model, we are about to start. We are commercializing the production by end of December or January, and based on the objective of the how to place it and in which area to be placed it, we are making the strategy to how we will distribute this among and what will be our target audience. So I think the audience will be all the EPC and all the IPP developers who are looking for a very good product with good efficiency and with good technology and a quality aspect.
That's great. So lastly, I would like to ask, if we talk about the Indian solar market, it is challenging as well as there are a lot of opportunities in terms of pricing and product ranges. So how it look like to you?
Yes, you are true. The challenge, lot of challenges are there in the market when you see the complete ecosystem. But I think almost all business are like that. If there are no challenges, then there is no business. That means you are either doing a good business or you are not in the business. So challenges are there, and that will be part and parcel of our journey. How to come out of it? You need to be very strategized with the concept, ideas, the rotation, and the things about the product. Mainly, you need to focus on the quality, as we are offering 25-30 years of warranty. That only be sustained when we offer some good quality of engineering. Solex always has one belief: never compromise on quality. Give as best as you can, because your customer are the real base that will make your product wow, and the company's brand flagship will only follows when you have such kind of customer with you.
And if we talk about like what's your expectation from the industry stakeholders?
I mean, expectation in what terms?
Like expectations in the the product that you are launching right now. So what do you feel like? How will be the market like? So,
I mean, the market is very much constant and they are moving in a very easy way, and a lot of developments in the products are coming, lot of other technologies are also coming. We are very much satisfied with the product that we have launched, and we know that will do wonders when the market will hit and use that product. So I'll request all the stakeholders to experience this journey once, and then let's make this quality or this technology success in a better way.
thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Iki.